Hi folks, my name is Rafael Rocha and today we'll talk about Docker. I will bring you an overview of what is Docker, how to get started with Docker. I will try to talk in 15 minutes a brief introduction what is Docker, how to install Docker, how work with the images, and how to run Docker. Okay? Introduction. So the first thing is compare VM and Docker, because virtual machine is the closest thing with containers. Okay, so virtual machines are heavy because it needs its own operation systems. What is mean that virtual machine can run independently. Okay, containers, otherwise containers could share Linux kernel because it only runs in Linux. Okay, so you can share Linux kernel and because it is so lightweight. Okay, another thing is container, which can be isolated in terms of resource. Okay, and finally, containers can be scripted, can be programmable for DevOps automations that we'll see and a little bit in the next slides. Okay, so I will share with you the Docker. What is Docker documentation? Okay, here is the link about what is Docker, and this website we can see everything about what is Docker. I will see why it is so lightweight, why it's so open and secure. Okay, and it compare what is a virtual machine and what is a container in detail. Okay, and we have a lot of informations and things in this website link. Okay, well, next thing is installing how to installing Docker. Okay, I will bring you and I will share this website link. Okay, let's see it. So first of all, the installation is so simple. Okay, we have a detailed documentation about what is Docker, how to install Docker here. Okay, you also can install Docker in Windows or Mac OS using boot to Docker application called boot to Docker that create a Linux virtual machine on Windows. Okay, well, my machine runs on Ubuntu, so I will bring you how to install. So in this documentation we have a lot of information how to install it. So okay, the most important thing is this command line. Okay, because it's installed that. So it's so simple, and we can only run this command line and you have the Docker installed in your machine. I will not install because in my machine in this moment, because I have already installed it in my machine. Okay, guys, let's continue. Well, the other thing is about images in Docker. It's an important thing that you must to know. Okay, first of all, we have a registry. What is a registry? Registry is a kind of repository where all images are installed are saved. Okay, this all of images, you can find any image you want. If you want some image with Java or CentOS as operating system and a lot of other things. Okay, I will show you now here what is the register. This is the repository. You see, we have a lot of official repository here. Okay, so the community of Redis, Ubuntu, MySQL, MongoDB, Nginx, Node.js have the official repository here. Okay, it means that all the images are in this repository, and you can search and find an image. Okay, so you can sign up and you can upload your own image. Okay, let's see my own repository here. Okay, let's log in. Little wait, and then okay. Well, see that I create my own image. Is a Mule ESB standalone image. Okay, after I will show you how to create your own image. Okay, so it's so simple here. You can click and you can navigate and you can pull that. Okay, you can, for example, after install Docker, you can run this command line. Okay, this command, you can pull the image. Whatever image you want, you can pull this image. Okay, so let's get back here. And so if I want a Java image, I can search and find that. Okay, so let's see, this is an official repo of Java. Okay, and we have a lot of versions of Java here, and you can choose your own flavor of Java, and so you can pull the image and run a container with Java and then run in your own machine. Okay guys, so let's back here. Show registry is the repository that we can pull images from the community. You can push your own image and then share this image with other people, and you can finally start to run some container in your machine. Okay guys, so next thing is, well, if I want to create my own image, I can build my image. Okay, and so the link, I will bring you this link. I will share this link. Let's see that. Okay, in this reference, I can see how to create our image. Okay, first of all, we need to understand we have a Docker file that is some kind of script. So this script is used to specify my image. Okay, so the first thing is create this Docker file. See that in the first line we have the from command. The from command is I will specify my parent image. Okay, in this case I choose a public image of Java 1.7. okay, from this user. Okay, so my Docker file, in this Docker file I install the Mule ESB Enterprise Service Bus. Okay, Mule ESB standalone in this machine, in this image, okay? So we have this command run that will run a command in Linux shell, okay? So in this case, I download via wget, okay, the Mule standalone package, and so I unzip and move it to apt folder, okay. I set via env command some environment variables. I should clean up, okay, all stuff here, and also we can expose the ports, okay. Então expose this port for remote debug and this for HTTP endpoint requests, okay. Well, once created Docker file, we can build, okay. Let's see that. See, this is command to build, okay. This command needs to run in the folder where your Docker file is, okay. So if I click enter, press enter here in my terminal with this command line docker build, okay, specifying this parameter, okay, t. This is my image name with this pattern. What is this pattern? This pattern means I need to have the first part of the name is my username or the property or the owner, okay, the username of the owner, okay, guys, and so my service, in this case Mule standalone, in the version here, okay. I will not press enter because I have already generated my image locally, okay. After all, we can also push to the repository that we see in the slide, in the back slide, okay. So the command is that docker push, okay. If I press enter here, I will push my image to the official repository of community that I showed you before. Okay, guys. Let's back to the presentation. Okay, let's back here to the reference. So we have the usage, we have the detailed documentation here, how to build the parameters. See that the t parameter. Okay. We have the example, the format of, okay, we have the detailed format of Docker file specified. Whatever, we have a lot of information here you can see after this presentation and to learn how to create your own Docker file in details and how to run that. Okay, guys, let's continue here. After we learn how to build our own image, we can start to run the image. Okay, so let's see the reference. I will share you the link here. That link is the website link reference. Okay, docker.com reference/run. Okay, here we have the all reference about the how to run an image. Okay, we have information to run the detached, to run foreground, to specify the name, network settings, cleanups, runtime constraints on CPU and memory, privileges about Linux capabilities. Okay, we have a detailed information about how to run an image, okay, how to start your container. Okay, let's see that in action now. Okay, so First of all, I have installed Docker here. Okay. And we can specify and how with this command docker ps we can see all processes that are alive. It means running this moment. So there is no process, there is no container running in my machine in this moment. So let's start one image, one container. Okay, so see that after type docker run and parameter for background process, okay, I specify my image name and the tag. Okay, this is the image that I created locally and push that in the repository. Okay, next parameter specify the command that I want my image run. In this case, I will start the mule enterprise service bus standalone here. Okay, so after press enter, we have a hash ID that is the container ID. Okay, so let's see if my container is running. After type docker ps and press enter here, we have here the container ID and what command is used, when it was created, the status ports are available. Okay, we have everything. Okay, so we have a container Docker running on my Ubuntu roast in this moment here. Okay, so my image, my container is running in standalone. How to interact with this? Okay, so we can run this command line. Okay, this command, first of all, I copy the container ID. Okay, I type I type docker exec and IT parameters here for interaction. Okay, and specify the command, in this case bash, and I am inside of my container now. Okay, repair that I enter as root on this machine and on this container. Okay, so you remember that I run and I start the mule. So let's see if my mule is up. So let's go to the opt folder, maybe that mule here, mule, whatever, logs, logs, and I will show you if my Mule Enterprise Service Bus is up and kicking. So you can see here, Mule is up and kicking. Okay, it means my container is running properly. Okay, so I can exit from my container. So I can also stop my container. Let's clear first of all docker ps. Okay, well, after typing docker ps, we have already our container here. So I need to stop that. Okay, typing docker stop the container ID and We must wait a little second. Oh, yes. If I type docker ps again, could you see the container is not running anymore? So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it could serve you as a start guideline. Sorry about my bad English. And it's all, okay? Thank you very much, and I see you. Bye bye.